Hello everyone, this is Kelly from Fixcel Mobile. Today I'm going to show you how I replaced the LCD of Samsung J7 2000. So in this video, I've used this one. Okay. This very thin stick. And then I also use this thin metal here. It helps me to remove the LCD with this special liquid to loosen up the glue. And then the funny thing is I've used this one. This is a plastic, okay, very thin plastic, and this is from the tempered glass, guys. Because there's a lot of delicate things inside the phone. There's some flex there that if you use this metal one, it can easily cut off. Okay, got it. And I also use this very small cloth to clean some glues around the area. We have two cell phones here. We have the black color and the blue color. Okay, I have already changed their LCD. I'm just charging the phone so I'm able to try it if the LCD it really works. I have already removed their LCDs, their old LCDs here. Okay guys, let's check. 12%, it's good, and the other one is 9%. Okay, at this point I didn't put the LCD on it because I want to try first if it's good, and then if the LCD is good, let's remove all this plastic over here and then we paste it. Okay guys, let's check if it's okay. Just turn the unit on and the other one also as well. 10%. It's enough to try the phone. Oh, J7 Pro and J7 2017. This one is good. Okay, this one also is good. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I also going to use this one. This is a magic rubber glue to paste the LCD to the phone. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you like this video and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and maybe subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in my next video.